Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to get the Minecraft ending at the Roblox. It's not hard, right? But I'm going to show. First, you go into NPCs are becoming smart game. It's free ending, so I'm going to show. But first, let me add something. Okay, now let's play. Let me show three endings here. Ready? The game's loading. First ending, crawler trolley ending. That's the first ending, crawler trolley ending. Next, ro here's the next ending. The next ending is wait a second. I am an NPC. I have no house. No! Realization ending. There's more on ending. Two endings left. Minecraft ending and the floor's lava and more on. Okay, let's start. Minecraft ending time. Press the Tango Mangoes button here. Now go faster and enter the house with this house and go here. Oh fuck. Tango breaking. Bruh. I doing correct. Let's try again. I doing correctly. Try again. But first, there's no. Let's go, but let's wait. Carol, don't sing, bruh, wagons. Waiting he's joining. First, you go to that house. Now, you go to that house, right? Now, you press the Tango Mangoes button. Now, you enter here, and that's what deal with the house under here. Did somebody say Minecraft? Yes. Now get out. Now, you gonna Wait, Carol, don't sing. Now, Carol is creating the portal. Now you're gonna wait. Head down here. Now, you're gonna enter on the portal. And Carol say epic. Now, let's go enter on the portal. And you go to Minecraft world, right? You see that. You click here and press Alt times. Now wait, Carol come. Now he will come here, and Stevie will appear here on the door, and will kill Carol. Oh no, Carol dead. Minecraft ending. Bruh. Next ending. The final ending. I forgot the name. But let's go. Oh, I cannot. But let's see if... Bruh. My key beans are not working. Let's try again, bruh. Wait, me join on Roblox. Npcs are becoming smart. Now it's time to save. The floor is lava. And you survive and don't die, please. Now, push Carol. And he will say, stop pushing me. And I will clap you and you will get flinged. Now, bro, why? In karma ending. Bro, shut up. Okay, but that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.